Okay, so here's hole number 3 in the Winter Slopes Tournament, Masters Division. And this is a hole that we've all played several times on tour. So I'm going to be playing 6 tops, 4 right, and aiming where sort of the blue ring is on the edge of this rough over here. And we're going to over adjust by about a ring on the wind. And we're going to play a slight bit of OP and a slight bit of right curl. Great ball right. This could be problematic. It's going to be close to the bunker. Hopefully we get away with it. Yes, we do. Okay. So apparently I'm struggling to hit perfect in this qualifying round, but we make the over adjustment there. Gives us a little bit of wiggle room, and that's one of the reasons why we do that. And our opponent here probably going to play a very similar shot. And we're going to be hitting a wood into the green. Depending on how far up we got, we may fly all the way to the green, or we may have to pull back and play a min-distance adjustment on our wood shot and bounce it over the rough, let it release down to the green. Let's see what our opponent does here. The key here is to not put too much right spin and then have a great ball right, or you'll end up in the bunker and you have no chance for the opportunity to get on the green in 2. And you can see here, this is the other thing. You've got to overpower the shot. It doesn't necessarily look like you've got to overpower it, but you've got to overpower it a little bit to make sure you clear that rough patch on your first bounce. So with the hammerhead, we're going to pull back here, and we're just going to play the full right shot. And we're going to play safe here, so we're going to add a top spin, just to make sure. I found historically that you can, for whatever reason on these shots, end up hitting this rough down here and not running out to the green. So we're at about mid distance, but we're going to adjust for about full rings. And we'll play a slight bit of left curl to just make sure we miss that tree. Another great ball. Not sure what's going on here. However, this will be fine, and we're going to end up with an eagle putt from a very reasonable distance. So nothing new there. That's a hole that you're all used to, and just remember on the drive to do a slight bit of OP to make sure you clear that rough. And then on the second shot, maybe add 1 tops just to make sure that you get over that rough on the first hop. That's hole number 3 in the Masters Division, Winter Slope.